Thinking about investing in Dubai's booming property market? It's no secret, Dubai is a hotspot for foreign investors. In fact, in 2023 alone, Dubai saw a 46% increase in property transactions by non-residents. At Upperkey, we're here to guide you through what you need to know as a foreign investor considering property in Dubai. Dubai offers unique advantages to international buyers. As a foreign investor, you'll benefit from 100% foreign ownership in designated freehold areas like downtown Dubai, Palm Jumeirah and Dubai Marina. The city's favourable tax policies are also a major draw. No property taxes and no capital gains taxes, meaning the return on your investment stays in your pocket. First, understand the difference between freehold and leasehold areas. In freehold zones, foreign investors can own property outright with full ownership rights. In leasehold zones, properties are leased to you for up to 99 years. It's crucial to know which option suits your goals and where your property is located. While Dubai's property market is attractive, investors need to account for additional costs. Transaction fees include a 4% property registration fee and around 2% in broker's fees. Also, keep in mind the ongoing maintenance costs, which can vary by property type and location. Dubai's rental yields are among the highest globally, ranging from 5 to 9% depending on location and property type. Areas like Jumeirah Village Circle and Business Bay are popular with investors seeking strong rental returns. If your goal is rental income, researching local rental demand and average yields is essential. In Dubai's dynamic market, understanding local laws and costs is key. For a hands-off approach, choose Upperkey's stress-free management at just 15% commission. For more property insights, check out our website. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments below.